Freelancing is illegal in California. Assembly 5 passed in California, and this January it is becoming exceedingly difficult to be a freelancer in the state, and it's going to be equally difficult for a small business to hire staffing needs with freelance talent that they can tap into right away. I wrote in an article last year, the progress of this bill is paving the future of work. On a local level, it's essential to protect both the business and the worker to retain the same quality of life as a full-time employee may have. This law is going after the Ubers of the world, which some people say are exploiting freelancers to drive their own vehicles, and this is a way to circumvent giving them any sort of benefits, but this is also targeting the freelancers at work. If you're going to go after the big companies, go after them directly. Don't go after the people that are just trying to work, because a new study is showing that over 60 million people in the workforce in the USA are freelancers, and this number is going to climb. This bill is obviously targeted at the Ubers of the world that are hiring workers and not giving them any sort of benefits. So they do want to have the clear distinctions between employees and freelancers, and they want to dismiss freelancers as just another loophole from businesses not wanting to pay their benefits to the employees. That makes a whole lot of sense, but this is also preventing freelancers to do the work because they're imposing restrictions. Some people that are heavily hit by this are going to be content writer. Traditionally, organizations, agencies, and news outlets, they have a whole team of freelancers because you can't be an expert in every single field. And this restriction is going to limit 35 pieces of content from people in California. And this is just leading to massive freelancer freezes and firing of freelancers because of the benefits that they would have to offer them as a full-time employee, which they are not. And on the freelancer side, if you can't write a certain amount of content, then you're really limited to what your potential is with a client, and having a client turning into a meaningful relationship and allowing to scale and grow your business to influence and impact other businesses. So both ways, we're both getting screwed here on the business side of things and the small business side of things in hiring freelancers. So what can you do to get around this? Well, you're going to have to continue to supplement your income, and you're going to have to think about turning your freelance business into a business so you're paying all the necessary taxes so you don't hit any roadblocks. But this is not a mystery. As your freelancing business grows, you do have to take on a lot more tax obligation, but this is going to stifle growth as a freelancer looking to get into a market without very many skills, just so they can sustain themselves and learn their passion and fuel themselves to grow online.